Okay, we are hiking up Baldwin Hills scenic view, and let me give you guys, it's pretty far up there. I'm gonna turn around and show you guys a little bit. It's really up there. Okay, let's check. Let's see the okay, panoramic scenic view. Okay, I'll give you guys a closer shot once I get up there. I don't know, we're maybe about I think a quarter up, and
is he sweating that much here?
What my view looks like so far. We're still not way up there. Look at that interesting building. It's not broken or anything. It's just, I guess they designed it that way.
Mom, come on. Mom,
no, just a second. Okay. And the further you go up, the nicer it gets. So from the steps, that's we're only about a quarter away. So let me turn it around slowly. And yeah, okay. This is a little bit further up. I don't know. Must have gone on about 30 steps. And the view keeps getting nicer and nicer. So that's downtown right there. And this is, that right there is Culver City. And here is Baldwin Hills. Okay, I'll see you guys shortly. The steps is the people, trail of people coming up. I'll see you guys the next steps. Downtown, Culver City, and Baldwin Hills. Okay, so made another flight of steps, and then be back with you. So I'm up another flight of steps, and again we're pointing at, that's downtown LA, and that one is Culver City, and again we're in Baldwin Hills, and this is, so we're still not up. This is how far we came, so I'll turn it away, and we still got quite a bit of steps. I'll see you when I get a little bit further up.
Why did people do their makeup for no reason? It's gonna sweat off anyway.
Honestly, I would go as far as to say, yeah, link to the past.
Okay.
Originally it wasn't, but then it became.
Here we go. So that's probably like I'm not sure. It's probably is that like Glendale? Oh, Dusty Blue? You think that's like closer to your home, Glendale or something like that over there? Them buildings over there? So I think Santa Monica is that way. And yeah, so we're still in Baldwin Hills. They have nothing but really cool buildings like that here. All the buildings, like I think it was the same. I think that's a federal building, and I think it was the same designer that did that building all over this town. So, and once again, I'll remind you that downtown is actually that way somewhere right there. Downtown LA. Okay, see you in a bit. Let's zoom out a little bit at a time from downtown. And
Just imagine if we went all the way over there.
Culver City.
That was Where does this play go to? Mom,
So let's see.
Mom. I feel like we're just getting lost. What is this
No,
place?
it
Mom, can we
says
check out
please
where
stay
this
on
place is?
authorized
Mom,
trails. Just a
Mom.
second. Give nature room to grow. It says it's for everyone's safety.
Mom,
Give
look
nature.
at this place.
I know. Okay. Let's see what's up here. Yes, we came. That's what we came for, Dusty Blue. Hey, don't do that. Oh, look at heaven. This looks beautiful right here. Look at my lens. Look at the way it looks. How pretty. Oh. So imagine when the moon comes out, or when it's gone. Yeah, when the sun's going down, sunset. Yesterday we actually came, but we drove up. Yeah, we didn't. We actually just found this by accident. Okay, well, I have to explain to you guys why I've been out for quite a bit. It's gonna be almost a month, I think it is. But there's just been a lot going on right now, and so I want to tell you guys what's been going on. But one of the reasons why you guys haven't seen me is because I've been I was in the middle of moving, or in the process of moving. So and yeah, I will have to tell you guys all about that. So let's keep going, okay? Oh. Oh, look at the hummingbirds. Look at the hummingbirds. Where is it at? Oh, did it go away? Yeah, it left. That's not. Yeah. Literally? Oh, wow. Okay. I'm not sure. They're probably bathrooms. I think they're bathrooms, Heaven. It says, keep your music to a personal volume. Please be considerate. Oh, it's a empty room. I think it's, I don't know. I don't know what it's for. Oh, yeah, these are, oh no, that's a building. There's a fridge and coffee.
Oh yeah, there's bathrooms.
And these are bathrooms. That's nice. Do you guys need to empty your bladder?
No.
Okay. Look at it. This would be a nice job, Dusty Blue.
Can we see up there? Can we see up
Visitor
here?
Center.
Can we see up here?
We sure can. Visitor Center, stay hydrated.
I want to see up here.
I don't care what you want to see.
Hang on. Let's see. I think it's just the other side of the building. So let's come back this way. Let's stay. What is this? What is that? Do you guys know what this plant is? Write it down in the comments if you guys do. I don't know. It sounds like a pot in there. There's actually something in there. That's nice. Okay. Okay, come on. Let's go. Were we coming down this way? We're gonna go this way?
To go back down to get down the street. This is where we drove up.
So, okay.
Are your legs still hurting?
No,
Either.
no. Oh, your little legs were hurting? Oh,
Earlier
wow.
when we first walked.
What's in there?
Look.
Oh,
That was only when
look.
we first walked up.
It's like a little, so there you guys have it. It's a Baldwin Hills
Ooh, can we go
scenic.
inside? Can we go inside?
Hang on. Hold up.
Mom, can we go inside?
Can you guys see it? It's Baldwin Hills scenic overlook. So it's, I guess it's like a
Mom, can I
little
go inside?
museum, and
Can I
it
go
tells
inside? Can I
you.
go inside?
No, because we're not going inside right now.
Why?
Cause
Oh, it's up there. Ooh, it's an echo out of here.
so I guess they tell you about the plants that are I guess that are for here, and the type of animals that are like here. Welcome to Baldwin Hills. So origins, growth, Los Angeles County, California, sunny beaches, cozy neighborhoods, tree-lined boulevards, transportation systems, and booming industries gave rise to the City of Angels. So relationship in crisis between people and the land, conflict. Welcome. This state park exists is to literally expand your horizons while you're here. We hope you'll gain new awareness both of the remarkable native habitat you're entering and the urban communities that surround you. The views near and far offer fascinating insights into the interconnected natural and cultural worlds of the Los Angeles basin. No dogs, but I've seen a couple dogs. So we are here. All right, let's keep going. And there's actually houses up here. Yesterday when we drove up, there's actually... Okay, so this is where we drove up yesterday. You can actually drive up here, but you have to pay. And yes, and this is, oh look, some nopales. Let's go get some, let's take some nopales home.
No, what are you doing?
Well, I'm gonna take some nopales home. Some prickly pears. She really thought I was gonna cut some nopales. All right, let's go. Okay, so this is what I wanted to show you guys. So we drove up here. So no, don't do that. You're gonna smash it and then it's gonna break, and then I'll have no water going down. Okay, here we go. Panoramic scenic view. Oh, this is nice. Okay, stay on the trail. What? I think those are oil rigs or something like that. So somebody or something like that. Those machines right there. Understand. Yeah. So anyways, okay. So I'm gonna give you guys panoramic view. So I would like to come up here and show you guys when the sun set is, when the sun is about to set. But
I landed it.
you guys are ready to go back, or you guys want to hang out for a bit?
Hang out for a bit.
Still gonna walk down.
Yeah.
Yeah,
What do you say?
Walk down.
Yeah.
Wait
So
for a bit.
that's what I wanted to say.
Why did we come all the way up here to see
Yeah.
no view?
Let's hang
Well,
out.
no, there's still a walk all the way down.
What time is it? What time is it?
10 meters. No, 10,000 meters.
4:30? Oh, the sun's about to go down in a little bit.
Yes, it is.
Yes, it is.
Have more daylight time like this.
Yeah, the moon's changing right now. We know. We know all about the moon. stay on the trail. Okay.
Oh, look at down there.
Yes.
Is that a baseball stick?
No, I think this is where I think.
Ah.
No, be nice. Keep your hands
She's
to
on
yourself.
the
Keep your hands to
first.
yourself, please. Because I know that. Hey, keep your hands to yourself. Because I wanted to say that I think my niece came running somewhere around here, but it's close by here actually. But it's not here. But anyways, look. So, you know, with all the lights on in the nighttime, I imagine that this will look really, really nice.
I can see the cars from here. Look at.
Yes.
Cheater.
Hey, so I'm still wondering what buildings are those? It's like, I'm not sure if that's Santa Monica or what, but. Wait a second. Okay, you guys. And that's it. Okay. Thank you for hanging out with me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you haven't already subscribed, please consider following me and giving me a thumbs up. Thank you so much. Bye-bye.